Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly age up your pets so that you can kind of trade them for more pet slots. So currently I only have 5 in my garden, but if I wanted more pets in my garden, I could do that obviously. I did a tutorial already, but right now if I want more, I need my pet, like one of my pets, to be at least a level 45, and that is a little bit harder to reach rather than 30 and like 20, which I did already upgraded 2 times. So what you'll need to do is just don't bother putting in the pets like that are going to give mutation to your plants yet. You're going to take them all out and you're going to bring in pets that you have that are going to raise up your XPs. For instance, I have a lot of like mochi mouse in my collection, in my inventory. So do I still even have? I still even have one in my inventory. And I think I put them like yesterday, and even that, all my pets are already above the age of 10. Like they're almost all at 20. And some of them are already 35, 26. Now they're going to boost each other's XPs. And what you're going to do is you're going to place every pet that boosts each other's XPs in your garden. Once they've reached a certain level where you can like trade them so you can get more space, you are going to want to do that. And then you'll have more space until it's like maximum pets that you can have on your garden. Then you're just going to just add in all the pets that gives like mutations, like I don't know, like this chef sloth, I don't know. But that's what you're going to want to do before you put all of your pets in, is to basically get in every pet that boosts each other's XPs. Then you're just going to trade them for a new pet slot. As you can see, I already like gained 527 XPs. Because I have a lot of mochi mouse, and once they're at the age where I can trade them, I'm just going to trade them and put in like more pets. As you can see, look how many XPs I got just from doing nothing and just having them in my garden. So that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.